Reporting live from AT&T Stadium, we have Shawty Trey.
A Dallas card show today. We're gonna go in. We're vending today, so hopefully we get some good deals going on, y'all. Let's get it.
Returning to the Dallas Cowboy.
Elliot.
What's up, everybody? We're here at the beautiful AT&T Stadium DFW card show. Hopefully we can get some really cool deals today and go Cowboys. Woo! We're setting up. About to show you guys the setup. All right, y'all. Today's setup kind of offers some heat, but just pause so that you can see everything. 'Cause I got a lot of heat today. Some stuff from PC, which I don't believe in PC. It's why I leave everything out.
Can I get this from you?
What? What'd you say?
Give you 10 for this.
10 for that? All right, shake my hand. Oh, yes, sir. All right, y'all. Got this Gyarados VMAX going out for 100. I appreciate you, boss. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. It's a little slow right now, so I mean, I guess we're gonna play a little game. Man, you kind of want to explain what this game?
We're gonna try out a little challenge just to make it a little bit more interesting. It's gonna be called the Poison Slab. I'm gonna pick one that will be the Poison Slab, and if he sells it by the end of the show, he owes me $100. So you gotta look away, and I'm gonna show y'all which slab I chose.
Let me see, what's out of place? And I'm thinking you picked that Typhlosion. We were talking about it earlier. Somebody was trying to buy that Typhlosion. So I'm trying to pick that one today. But hey, hopefully we don't choose it. All right, y'all. So what we're doing right now, we're just comping out these 3 cards real quick. Dude's interested in our Mega Gyarados and a 9. All right, y'all. Taking in a couple of cool cards. So Swampert EX got the Venusaur in a 9, and then the Arceus V in a 10. We're trading it out for our Mega Gyarados. And then I'm throwing him $100 on top. I appreciate you so much, brother. Thank you.
$100.
Oh, yeah. What am I doing? So where's my money? Now I appreciate you, boss. Thank you.
Take care.
You too. You guys have a good show. All right, y'all. We are buying these in for 16 bucks. All right, appreciate you, boss. Thank you so much, man. Did I already give you? I already gave you the 16, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for letting me take a look at your awesome cards, man.
Appreciate it, man. Pressure Ram Zekrom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 90, 96 last orbs.
90, 96. I do 90 on it, boss. If you want it, I do 90.
Okay. Yeah,
Selling the Zekrom and Reshiram tag team in a raw single for 90 bucks. Getting our cash back, and then we're gonna get the rest cash out to us.
appreciate it, man.
Beautiful, boss. Thank you so much.
Thank
This
you.
is yours,
I
man.
appreciate you
Yeah,
guys.
of course. Selling this here for 20. All right, boss. I appreciate you so much.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it, brother. We're switching the setup, so we're on this side now. So hopefully you guys can see a little bit better, but we'll keep the good deals going on, y'all. Stay tuned. Honestly, boss, I would take all these in. Were you looking to sell or trade it?
Sell.
Sell? Okay. Let me just price these out right quick. All right, y'all. We picked up a really good stack. Caesar, a couple of these cards here. All right, all for 110. Appreciate you again, brother. Thank you so much. Great meeting you, man. What was your name?
It's Alex.
Alex. It's Sean. Nice to meet you. Charizard's going out for 370. All right. Appreciate you, boss. Sorry, I had to just act it up.
Do the rainbow one.
Let me see. Yes, I am a little below market. Best I think I could do is 320 on this one.
320, you can't do 300 even?
300 even?
Mm-hmm.
Meet me at 310?
Yeah, I can do 310.
310. That works, brother. Another deal. He's taking my other Charizard for 310. What's your name again, brother?
Albert.
Albert. I'm Sean. Nice to meet you, Albert.
Nice to meet you.
So Albert is picking up my 2 Charizards. Yeah, he's cashing me out. Show's going pretty well so far, guys. Just keeping you guys updated with some comms. You know, it's still a little slow on our side. Overall, I'm excited about today. We got about 4 hours left. Really cool trade. He wants to pick up our Raichu EX, and we're trading Charizard B. And then 46 on top. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much.
Sir, thank you.
Yes, sir. Have a good show.
Okay, y'all, we have a Bliss EV going out for 22. Sorry, it's my friend's YouTube. I gotta.
Got these 2 going out for 10 off sticker for each.
Yeah, we will.
Check it out.
Oh, maybe.
It's a little out of my price budget right now.
We could trade for it. Maybe throw some cash on
I
top.
don't do Pokemon, bro.
Oh.
I do sport. Yeah, I do sports shit.
You do sports. So how'd you get that card then?
My boy convinced me to buy this.
Let me see. Let me take a look at it real quick.
But then it's like, bro, the more I talk to people, and half of y'all say it's a good one, half of y'all say get that away from me ASAP.
Yeah.
I'm in 22. Give me 22, I go home.
22. Let me see.
It's at 26 right now.
Is it?
I mean, you got.
Yeah. This. Sorry, boss. This one's out of my.
I was gonna ask 25 my way, but let's see. If you want to do just like 20 cash my way, I'll take it.
Okay. 20 cash your way.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, boss.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Yes, sir. Taking in a trade. He's taking all my Lucarios here, and then I'm taking this in, and I'm throwing him 20 bucks on top.
We're letting go of the Pidgey PSA 1. Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Take care of that little one. That's the true one.
All right, y'all. We're doing a trade for our Mega Steelix, and we're getting all these cards.
That was my inspiration.
All right, there you go. We are buying in a couple of cards, singles. So these are the singles I bought in. And then, what did I say was going on top, boss? It was 67? 67. All right. What's your name, brother? John. John. I'm Sean. Nice to meet you. John Sean. John. Nice to meet you, John. Yep, Sean and John.
Diddy, come on out.
Not again.
Not again. We're doing a trade, giving this out,
Did you get in on
and then these are coming in, and then 30 on top. Y'all, we are on a mission to find some water. They don't allow drinks in this event, so I gotta come in and grab some water. Damn, $7 water. Thanks, bro. There has to be some
water fountain.
No way.
This don't taste like Dak Prescott.
So 130 or 110? Because 120 was in the middle.
130, 110. Let me just pay you 120, bro. I'm already.
Come on, let me.
Flip it for the night.
No. I'm trying to encourage the kids, you know, no gambling kids. Hey man, we need to gamble a little bit sometimes, bro. For 120. Nice.
You want to collect this? The 150.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just 25 more and I'd shake your hand right now.
All right, I'll make an even better deal. Throw in this Charmander, the whole thing for 1,100. We'll let it go
I'd be at 12.
at 11.
Wow.
11.
Brother.
If you're looking to move, I'll throw one more offer. You throw in the Mewtwo and the Mew with all this, $2,000 even. Done. $2,000, 4 cards, done.
Damn, you are good.
Hey, my bad. $2,000, guys. Let it go. Tell him to let it go. Don't hold it.
You think you're gonna walk home with it?
I don't know if he's gonna let it go. Fine, I'll have to go in my little wallet. I know I have a little reserve here too. I'm telling you, give me the other ones. I'll give you $2,000 for the whole thing. You know what? Let's try 800. Listen, if it goes through, then it's good.
I appreciate
Thank you.
you.
No. And it fucking worked. Thank God it worked, man. Look at this, finally.
Last deal of the day, y'all. Blastoise.
No. There's other deals I'm gonna do since you want to throw those away. I still want that Mewtwo.
Guess what?
What?
Not these two.
This one was the poison slab.
No way. No. So
What is this? This is fake, man.
before the show started, I picked a slab that if he sells this by today, he owed me $100.
All right, come on, let that Mewtwo go, man.
what do you want for this? I mean, what do I want for this?
You know where I'm gonna go with my number. It's a little higher than the 87. That's what I'm doing right there. That's 90%.
Without the bar.
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
Pretty high one. Oh! You saw that one? Take it back. God, let's see if it does it again.
This time. Please don't work.
Please don't work.
This is why you stay at the end of the show, guys. Oh my goodness.
We make the best deals.
Wow, this was my favorite part of the day. This is fun. Good deals like these though need to be, you know, got to be tough like this.
Last deal of the day.
Last deal of the day. Wow.
Oh wait, I gotta check this one. This This might be a fake one too. Mike.
Mike, it was such a pleasure doing
Guys,
this with you, bro.
It was a pleasure.
You want to close out the video for us?
What do you want me to say?
Shawty
Shawty Train, baby. That's where you need to go tomorrow.
Oh, I love you, Mike.
They know how
Appreciate
to
you,
make
brother.
deals, baby.
Thank you.
All right.